Boonesborough Boogie. Hey, this is Lila. Hey, this is Cole. And we are on our way to give the Best of Show award to a lucky car. So bring a good car because we'll be looking.
Head into the boogie. Call Jared. First time driving an old car. Let him in now. What is that? 79 Berlinetta. See who all's out here, man. Look at those, dude. Look at that. Ooh. Cobra with like a hard top.
Plymouth Roadrunner.
Roadrunner.
I saw a couple of those at the Trans Am.
Yeah, 440 and that's a 400.
It's mean looking.
They have like 440s, so that's like a 74, 75, maybe 73. It's cool though.
Yeah, it's real cool. Lila, this is what one of the earliest cars looked like.
Really?
Yeah. That's when they first, when cars first were a thing.
And that's like the straight up forward, you know.
That's what it.
That's what they first looked like. Yeah, the very beginning.
Is that real?
That's real. It's real nice.
Yeah. Punch bug. Slap, slap.
Okay.
All right, Cole, hit Lila.
Welcome to the Boonesborough Boogie 2025. We are locked and loaded here. We're having tons of fun. We got kids, old kids, new kids,
Old kids.
young kids. And me and Ben are both old.
Big old kids, you know.
Fun meter's cranking right now though, dude.
So what do you like about this one?
It's just kind of cool how it's sideways.
Well, Duster, appreciate it. Cole and Lila's Best of Show award. Woo!
Thank you. Yeah, he put this all together himself.
It's cool. That's what makes it even cooler, man.
He's only 21.
Yeah, that's a good kid, man. You done good. Good laugh there. We did good.
It's been a good show. We're gonna wrap it up, guys.
Everybody ready to get out of here?
Ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
Good job.